All right, well, I decided it's time to do another product review. It's been a little while since we did one of those, and I thought I'd talk about our cover. We did another video where we talked a bit about the cover when we got it, but it's now been 3 years. We've used this cover over 3 winters, so it's had pretty good exposure to the weather. Obviously not under any kind of cover here, so we're relying on the actual RV cover itself to protect the motorhome. We're still seeing little bits of water leaks here and there, and so I'm not ready to just leave it out in the weather over the winter. And this cover has done a really good job, even though where we are, there's not very much protection from wind and rain and snow. We routinely get 20-25 mile an hour winds through the winter, and winter here lasts 4 or 5 months, depending on the year. So lots of pretty heavy winds and quite a bit of snow and rain build up, but it's held up well. As far as the straps and brackets and things like that, none of them have broken. So even the plastic clips and things have held up well. We've had a couple of rips. So interestingly, I'll link the model that we got for the cover. It's for a 24-foot motorhome. This is a 26-foot, but because our GMC is quite a bit smaller than kind of a modern travel trailer, it fits pretty well, and basically just the front bumper sticks out, but we're able to cover everything else, and it's worked really well. As far as wear and tear things, so a couple little tears. We had a tear here where the door prop was rubbing on the cover, and the door prop kind of rubbed a hole in it because of the wind moving around and things. The kit or the cover came with some patches, and so I patched this probably a year, maybe 2 years ago, and the patches held up well, so that's great. I did have a little incident where I ran my snowblower a little too close, and the exhaust melted the cover here, so that's a little bit of a problem, but totally my fault, so can't blame that on the cover at all. There's a tear here. This is a vent though, so it hasn't really affected the performance. A couple of other little small tears, but nothing that has caused it to start to tear off or fall apart or anything. I did another kind of me thing, the zippers. At one point this last winter, there was a pretty big kind of pool of water on the top that had frozen, and I was trying to get all that weight and snow and ice and things off. And so I was trying to open this up when everything was frozen, and it kind of messed up the zippers a little bit from trying to unzip them when there was ice frozen in the zippers and things. So the zippers don't work great anymore. But as far as getting into it, this whole side opens up, makes it very good for getting access when we want to in better weather. So overall, it has done really well. The small tears and things on the zippers and things probably would actually last another year, but I'm noticing that this white part, which is more weatherproof and waterproof, is starting to kind of separate. I can't see any of it here, but it's more up on top. It's starting to kind of wrinkle and separate. I'm also noticing some water underneath the cover sometimes. So if it rains and a little bit of it pools up there, I start to see some water kind of going through the cover. So that I think is partially because of the wind and snow and rain and things. It probably would go another year, but I got a really good deal on a new one. So we'll do a little unboxing here. This is the new version of what we had, and we can kind of come around here and see the labels and things on it. So the model number on this is so the brand is the same, so ADCO by Covercraft. The model is this 36842, and it says it's for a 22 1-inch to 24-inch trailer, and the picture on the box shows a travel trailer type. Interestingly, this size and shape fits our GMCs really well. And we got this just on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of the video. And we got this on sale. Normally it's around $400. and we saw it for 300. So we kind of jumped on it and got a new one. So I think between the good deal and the fact that the first one lasted for 3 years and is in okay shape, I'll try to do a little bit better taking care of it this year to see, or this time to see if it lasts any longer. I felt like it's a pretty good investment and pretty good way to protect the motorhome without spending a whole lot of money on indoor storage and things like that. So I thought I would open this up real quick just so you can kind of see what it looks like otherwise. Interestingly, the box that this came in is smaller than I remember the other one. The other one came with a storage bag, and so we've stored it in this. When it's rolled up, it's not exactly as big as this bag, but still bigger than that box. So it'll be kind of interesting to see how it's packed. It's probably vacuum packed or something. So it does take up some space when you're storing it during the summer, not covering the motorhome. But let's open this up and see what it looks like. All right, looks very much like the other one. And we'll pull it out here. It looks like this one did not come with a storage bag. So what we're seeing here with this white material, this is the stuff that's on the top of the motorhome. And find the name of the material here. It's a olefin heavy duty RV cover. So the olefin is this white covering on the top. And from what I've read and our experience is that it does a good job of staying waterproof, not trapping moisture inside so that some of the moisture can evaporate out. We do put desiccant inside of the motorhome to help keep it from getting too moist. But there's the new one. So I think overall I've been really happy with the cover. It's done a great job. And I think this new one is going to give us at least 3 more years of good service. All right, so I saw a recent post about somebody with the exact same new cover that we got, and they said it didn't fit. And it looked like they also had a 26-foot GMC motorhome. And so it made me think, boy, I better try out this new cover that we got. So the specifications are the same as the one we got 3 years ago, but the part number changed a couple of years ago. And I don't know why the part number changed. It seems to be virtually identical. There's a few minor changes that actually look like they might be nice improvements. But we put it on. So this is the new cover, and it covers the entire coach, everything except the front bumper. So that's the way the old one worked also. So the front bumper is still going to be exposed. But the ladder, the AC unit, the spare tire on the back, the rear bumper, all of that's covered. It does also come with a storage bag, so that's nice. It was wrapped up with the cover. And then in the storage bag, it has some of the patch material that worked out great for the couple of rips that we got early on. And so really looks like basically the same thing that we had before. Fits great. It has the same kind of straps and buckles and everything. So I think it's going to be a great cover for another probably 3, maybe 4 years.